How to install Reddit Pixel on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So let's just go ahead and get started. We are just going to start off from the Reddit side of things. So you simply need an ads account for Reddit obviously to begin with. If you only have the default Reddit account, that's not going to work. Just go to ads.reddit.com, sign in there, and you should find yourself in here if you just got started. So from here, all we need to do really is just copy the unique code that Reddit gives us, and then we just need to add that to our Shopify store. So in order to get that code, it is very simple. You just want to go to the top left corner from ads.reddit.com, click on the hamburger menu, and you should be able to find Events Manager. Just go and click on that. From here, there's actually a new way where you can add, or you can use to add the Shopify pixel right away. It's more like an integration, which is from here. You can find it right down here. You can follow along if you want to do it this way, but I'm going to show you the good old way that, it's pretty much the one that we've been using. So anyways, from the Events Overview tab, we want to scroll down until we find the Setup Manually section. And we should be able to see Pixel Only, Pixel and Conversions API, and Conversions API Only. So we're going to be going for the Pixel Only. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And then here, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on Next from the bottom right. Once you click on Next, you're going to be able to find your code, the Pixel code, as you can see from step 2. You simply just want to click on Copy to Clipboard. You need to copy this code right here. So once you actually copy the code, what we need to do now is going to be from Shopify's side of things. So simply just go ahead and open up your Shopify store. And then from your Shopify store, all we need to do is just click on Online Store. Go to your active theme and click on the 3 dots right over here. Just in case, duplicate your site. Nothing bad is going to happen most likely, but just in case, duplicate your site. And then you can feel free to remove it later if you don't really see anything happening, but maybe you mess up some code by mistake. Anyways, click on Edit Code once you are done. And then you simply want to look for theme.liquid. So you can just go to the top here. You should be able to click on that and search for all the code files. So we can just search up theme.liquid. You should be able to find it right away and click on it. Now, as you can see, we have this head here, and we need to find the bottom of it. So as you can see here, we have the slash head. So not the first one, the second one with the slash. This is going to be the one that we need. And all we need to do is just make space above it, like so. Just click on the line above it and hit enter maybe twice, just so we can have some space. And then you simply just want to paste in the code right over here. So it's going to look something like this. Make sure that it is above the head, as you can see. Once you paste in the code, you simply just want to save from the top right corner. And we are pretty much done. This should install the Reddit Pixel to your Shopify store. So now you're going to have your Pixel installed, and it's going to automatically track your page visits. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.